Hello, welcome to Atenta Yoga channel. Here you can discover short everyday practices, tips, yoga inspirations and peace of mind. So let's start with deep breathing. So we inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Just 6 times. Inhale, exhale. Move our head forward and back. Forward and back. Then to the right and to the left. To the right and left. So move your shoulders back. Just trying to make a really big circle from our shoulders and then forward. Then move your right hand forward and then move your hand like this. And then push to yourself, just stretching your arm like this. Nice. And then we just move to the circle. And just move your hand up and just stretch your shoulder. Your shoulder under your wrist and your knees under your hips, just like straight. And then we will go up, move your head up and then down. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Then we will move forward our right leg, our right hand. 3 deep inhale and exhale. Okay, and then another hand. Move your right leg back, also 3 times. Okay, and then switch. And we will continue with plank from our knees. So you just need to put your hand under your shoulders. Just fix your legs and try to concentrate on your breathing. Our knees. You can move your left arm like up, also deep breathing. And then switch. So just sitting on your knees, just a little bit, like move your knees to the different sides and then just put your body and push it down and your hands forward, and you can just put your head on the mat and relax and feel stretching through your back, through your shoulders, in your hand. Just it's the most relaxable pose in yoga that I can recommend you. Like this, like you form the wings of butterfly, trying to put your shoulders straight and your back straight, and just like move your legs like you make like flying of butterfly. hand and then move to the right side. You can use this hand, you can put it here, you can put it here. It's how you're comfortable with this breath. Download Atenta Yoga app and dive deeper into your wellness journey with us.